Hey, what's up guys? This is Nathan Hester and this video is a technical description of Eclipse's debugger for Java programmers that want to get familiar with this feature. Here I have a really simple calculator class. I have four methods: multiply, divide, add, and subtract, and a method to reset my instant variables. Then in my main method, I've created an object to test each method by passing in two numbers to multiply, divide, add, or subtract, and then print out the result and reset my variables. To begin debugging, we set a breakpoint by double-clicking by the line we want to start at. After making the breakpoint, let's run the debugger. If this is your first time using Eclipse's debugger, a window will pop up asking you if you want to change to debugging perspective, so click yes. Depending where you put your breakpoint, all the variables and objects you have created that are active will be displayed with their current values and status in the right window labeled variables. And that's breakpoints. You can unselect breakpoints or reselect, delete them all. And here in the variables, it shows the current status of my num1, num2. Let's see how to analyze the code line by line using the step over button. The step over button allows you to go through one line at a time, assisting us with checking each line to see if it works correctly or not. Pay attention to each element in the variables window, and be sure to expand any variables or objects that you are expecting to change after certain lines of code. Stepping over is the simplest way to use the debugger line by line, but if you step over a method being called, you will not be able to see what is going on in that specific method, just the results. The step in button allows you to step into a method, then enabling you to use the step over button to go line by line in that method. Because my breakpoint is already on the line of code where a method is called, I can step into that method and see what it is doing. If you're not sure if the methods you are calling are performing the right task, the step in button will display the actions of that method and possibly help you correct your code. Using the debugger will make coding much easier, and it's worth it to become proficient with the debugger because it will only increase your efficiency and make you a better coder. Most, if not all, software development jobs expect their employees to know how to debug. The debugging perspective will give you a perfect view of what's going on in your code. To go step by step, you use the step over button, and to get into a method, use the step in button. Thanks guys, have a great day.